Hi guys, in this video I am going to tell you about the most important thing in trading, that is best risk management techniques. So first of all, we will talk about that, what is the risk management and why is it so important in trading and in any business. So the second thing that we will talk about the position sizing in trading. Third thing that we will be talk about that how we can calculate our position size for the forex, for the indices, for the gold, and we will be talk about the crypto. Crypto is easy because that is about the percentages. So in the fourth one that we will talk about that how to make your position or risk free. So in this point we will talk about that at which point we can be considered to risk free our trade from that. Okay, the fifth one that we will talk about that how to control revenge sharing. Look, it's depend upon this a link with the psychological point of view, but I will give you some point of view so that you will be able to get them and control the revenge trading in the loft. And we will talk about that how to manage disciplined trading setups. So let's move to the first thing, that is best what is the risk management and why it is so important in the trading. So as you can see here, the name risk management, it is telling you the whole story. It is telling you that how you have need to manage your risk. So why is it so important and what is the benefit of the risk management? Look, it will be help you to avoid from the blowing your account in forex indices or anything, and it will be help you to also avoid you from liquidating from your cryptocurrencies. So I hope you will be understands. And the second benefit of this that look how much we should do risk in our trade. The most people ask from me that how much risk should we take. Look, it's depend upon from your account size and account profit that will be help you to is it satisfying for you or not. So for me, that I will be recommend you to minimum risk that I personally approach is 2%, and the maximum risk per trade that I do is 5%. So I will be also recommend to everyone issue not risk more than 5% of your account. So it will be help you to control your risk. So let's see that I just wanted to explain you with the one example. Let's suppose that I have a $100K account and that I am talking about the real account, not the funded account, because they are maximum drawdown it's about 10%, 8%. So I'm talking about here I'm talking about only the real account. So let's say that if I'm risking 2%, that is $200, and the maximum that risk could be $5 more per time. So in this way, you can take your risk, and by risk to reward ratio, you can calculate the reward of you with that. So the second thing is what is the position sizing. Look, position sizing is just like a tool that will be help you to understand that where should we want, where should we use stop loss. As you can see here in this picture, the stop loss is just like here. And I just want to do in position sizing, we just try to plan our trade with the risk reward tool with entry, stop loss and targets. And what is the benefit of this tool? The main question is that I will be also explaining you that how to our forex will be. I just wanted to mention you every forex player almost have 100K contract size. Contract size is the most important thing in the forex, in the indices, in the gold. I mean that the contract size will tell you the how much amount you should have or need to risk in that trade. So as you can see here my contract size for forex is $100K and the account size is $100K. So my account size is $100K, my account size is $100K, and the risk that I am taking is here is 5%. I mean that $5,000 per trade. I'm again telling you this is of real account trading, telling us this 74 points. What we have need to do? We have need to do 74 multiplied by. This is a quantity that the risk to a reward tool telling us that this amount we have need to put 74 the straw with the quantity, then we will get the results of this. Look, again I am saying that this main thing is all about the contract size. In Forex you have seen that our contract size is 100 KUSD. So risk calculation is just like the 74 points and multiply by with the war size is 67. It's all about that coming is $5,000. In this way, we can find out our required loss of 67 for for indices. That how we have need to calculate the or low size for the indices. Look, again, I will always say it's depend from the broker to broker. Again, first of all, I just wanted to say that some broker offers you one contract and some offers you 10 contracts, and even sometimes some offers 100 and 20 and 25. Again, I am just wanted to say that this is all depend upon the broker and their contract size. At this point, I am taking this with the contract size just like this. Okay, first of all, I just wanted to make it sure again my account size is same. When I take it out, risk is again 5%. I'm taking risk, and what I have need to do, I just wanted to explain you guys. This is a 28, almost 29 points. My stop losses, and if you will see here, I am taking one contract. Okay, when I will be multiply this 178 multiply by 29, then you can be see my almost my I am getting the same stop of $5,000 almost. So in this way you can be calculate your point size, lot size in indices. I mean that contract is the most important thing. And that's last but not the least, Sargoi. Gold is really it's not dependent upon anyone. If you're trading a pro firm account, if you're trading a broker account, anyone account, the contract size will be always 100. Okay, I'm same taking the account size and risking the same amount. And in this picture, as you can see, my stop is it is telling me about 16, and if I will multiply this with the 3.07, then what will be my... Hi guys, as you can see here, I have opened the gold chart on the TradingView, and in this video I will be show you that how you can change your size as well. First of all, I just wanted to show you that first of all, account size is of $100 USD, and the second thing is about the lot size, and that is 100. And the risk that I am taking on this account is 5%, which is equal to $5,000 in USD. So it will be show you that how much lots I have need to spend. First of all, I just want to mention that lot size is equal to the contract size. Both are same, and our lot size are 100 in gold, as I have mentioned in the previously. So as you can see here, my stop loss is about 300 or 3.07. So when I will be multiplied this with quantities as 16, it will be equal to the roughly $5,000. So I hope guys you would
see the indices of US 100. So as you can see here, my stop loss is about 25, and they are telling me to put 202 quantity for this 5% of my risk. So what I will do, I will again, as you can see here, this is my account size, and load size, this will be depend upon the broker, and the risk is 5%. Otherwise you can be also go in a USD. So guys, here I am on the GBP USD. It's a forex pair, And what I have need to do, I have need to do click on that. I have already saved the forex, and as you can see here, this is my just like this, and I have put it is telling me 12 quantity with 40 multiplier. I will be when I will do that, this will be my stop loss. Okay, so I hope guys how you have need to do that. So what I will be do, I will be go on just like this is my account size, this is my lot size, and this is my risk percentage. When I will be do that to the 5%, it will be increased. Firstly it was about 12, and now it has changed to 125 lots.
It's about the how to make your position risk free. Okay, so what is the main why risk free is important? Look, it will be help you to control your psychological point of view. First of all, I just wanted to mention you that please apply this process for the first 2 month minimum. Believe me, if you will be applied this for the just 2 months, then your psychological, emotional, everything will be on the another plan. So let's suppose that if I'm planning a trade for 1/4 hour, first of all, what I will be do, I'm risking, let's suppose that $1,000, and I will be book at 50%. I just want to explain you with the example. Let's say that if you are risking $1,000 per trade, then book $500 at 1/1 hour. And by this, our risk is a booked profit. I mean that the profit that I've booked $500, that is the same amount. This is the same amount that I'm risking at a stop loss. I'm not giving it at break even because it could be retested at that. So that's why currently I will not prefer you to break even until a certain point. I will be explain you when we have need to break even our trades. So in this way, at the end you will book for $2,000. I mean that in this way your trade is risk free, and you still have booked $2,000 in that story. So I hope you guys understand that how you have need to risk free your trade. So and after 2 months, what you have need to do, this is a plan for the next 2 months. I mean that it will be about 4 months, and a plan trade for 1/4 same. And after 1/2, I have booked 50%. For example, if you are risking same $1,000 per trade, then book $1,000 at 1/2 or by this, and by this your risk is $500, and still in your profit, if you got the SL, then you will still have $500 in your pocket. And at the end, if you will your TP will be hidden, then you will be get about $3,000. So, and with process you can go with the increasing risk to reward to the 1/10. So it's depend upon the process. Again, I am just saying that process is really important. If you will not apply or consider the process, then you will not be able to understand with them. So the next topic is about the how to control revenge trading. So look, first of all, guys, it's really important that don't trade without plan. Again, I am saying in the start I was told you that it is linked with the psychological point of view. Don't step or anything points. So only believe me, guys, the numbers or a number of states that can't decide you all the 3 good trade on bigger account. I mean that if I'm getting about 100 good account, and if I am risking 2% account of my accounts, and if I have got 1/4 RR, that is 1/4 RR means that $8,000 per trade, and if I got 3 tiers, then 24,000. Believe me guys, again I'm saying, if you are taking this sequence with continuously, you will be considered that at a point your account will be grow, and you will also enjoy a good life. No matter where you are living, 24,000 or small amount. So focus on quality trade rather than quantity of trades. Again, I was told you that don't depend upon the numbers of trade. Try to get good quality trade and with a good risk reward ratio. I mean that if you put $2,000 per risk trade, getting for 1/4, this is the same. Don't trade without stop loss. Believe me, guys. If you are getting, I mean that if you have got 4 wins in a streak and you will not have put it a stop loss, then you will be lose all 4 trades profit in just one trade. So that's why stop loss is really important. So take break if you're going in a losing streak. I mean that if you are a trader, and it does not mean that you can't lose. Losing streaks, how to manage disciplined trading setup. So again, the same thing, maximum 3 trades per month on bigger account. Again, I'm saying bigger accounts. Only trade high quality A+ setups. Don't trade just like this. This is I'm in confusion that will depress drop. Try to trade high quality trade, and don't force for any trade formation, and just when the trades are set up, try to trade that, nothing more. So I hope guys you will be understand, and after this video I just want to mention thank you guys.